Everyone, welcome back to another video from the Winter Forest. Today let's continue our leetcode challenge. Today's question is called a unique binary search tree. You will be given number n, how many structure unique BST tree that store value from 1 to n. Here have the given example. You receive the number 3 and the output is 5, 1, because here give the explanation over there. So first we need to understand the concept is what is a binary tree. So for the binary tree, the tree has a root node and only has a left node and a right node. For the left node cannot bigger than the root node. For the right node, always bigger than the root node. In here you see. And for achieve how many combination we going to use Catalan number. Here actually the explanation is in here. This is the formula we're going to solve it. And here also tell you see n equal to 3 you have how many combination. N equal to 4 you have this combination. How this do it? So I just do a short explain how I could make you understand clear. So if first we receive a number is n equal to 1, in this case we only have one node to build the combination. So we have how many combination if we receive 1, the output is equal to 1. So if we receive 2, then we have 1 and 2 node to build the binary tree. We have 2. Why? Because if we use the 1 as the root node, then we could build one pattern. Then we use 2 as the root node, we could build another pattern. So we have 2 combination. Now if we're going to receive 3, then we have 1, 2, and 3 to build the binary search tree. In here, first we think about if we use 1 as the root node. So on the left, can I build any combination? No, we only can put the left node on the right. We have 2 nodes, so the combination for 2 definitely is 2. So either is 2, 3 or 3, 2. You either just 2, 3, or you could 3, then put the 2 on the left. And so if we use this one, how many combination? First find the number 1, how many have 2 plus. Now we move on to use the 2 as the root node. So if we use 2 as the root node, on the left, how many combination we could use? 1, because only 1 smaller than. On the right, how many combination we could use? It is 3. So in here, we only can build one tree. So it is 1. And now we move on, we're going to use the root node. It is 3. So if we have 3 as the root node, then on the left, we cannot have anybody to build the binary tree, only can put on the right. It is, sorry, I said no. We cannot put any node on the, and if 3 is the root node, we only can put the node on the left. So the left to have how many nodes? Has 1 and 2. 1 and 2 could build how many combination? 2. So we plus 2. So the Catalan number, if you receive 3, then the number is 5, and so on, like 14 and something. Now did you see, we already follow the pattern. So we're going to use DP array. So we receive a number n. So we choose, if 1 is the 1 is the root node, 2 is the root node, 3 is the root node, then we add them together is our answer. So let's do it. And the formula is this one. And the explanation already in here. Here even draw the if you have how many layers. From the code, if we receive an empty, so we definitely don't have a layer. If we receive 1 node, we have 1 layer. Receive 2 nodes, we have 2 layers. If n equal to 3, we could build up to 3 there, so have a 5 array. And if n equal to 4, we actually could build a 14 in here, you could see here, and the combination. And now we just use this strategy to write the code. So we're going to have a DP array. First, we're going to check the n equal to 1, let's see, or n equal to 0. You only have one combination. You only have one. Otherwise, you just build the Catalan number. Now we know the Catalan 0, 1, 2, 3. We could populate it. This one. Catalan number 1 also is 1. And the Catalan 3, 2, or 2 is 2. Now we could start it from the I equal to 3 and looping the what they're giving. We're going to add them together. In inner, we're going to have a j number equal to I minus 1. So if I pick 1, then we have a left how many to choose. In the pattern equal to 0. Now we have the catalog number. We use cat as the shortcut. So we're going to loop it s smaller than j. If then we add them together. Once we cut it out, we just add it. Run the code. I mean, finish, no, submitted. Thank you for watching.